In this video, I am going to show you how to use Canva with ChatGPT. 1. Visit Canva's website and either sign up for a new account or log if you already have an account. Next, move to GPT-4 module and choose Plugins from the drop-down menu. Now, open the ChatGPT plugin store. Access hundreds of amazing plugins. Here, search for Canva and install the plugin in ChatGPT. Once installed, make sure the Canva plugin is enabled via the drop-down menu. Now, go ahead and enter the prompt from the image or video you wish to create. For starters, I asked ChatGPT to generate images for social media posts about climate change, and it generated some impressive results within a minute. You can also click on the link in ChatGPT's reply and customize the design to your liking on Canva without even signing in. Next, you can ask Canva plugin on ChatGPT to create a logo for your company or brand. Finally, I tried using ChatGPT Canva plugin to create a reel video for Instagram, inviting users to book a club meeting. You can download and use the video directly from ChatGPT. And that's it, guys. Those are all the stuff you can do with ChatGPT and Canva. Enjoy your editing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.